Hi, my name is Cynthia Ellis with Brandman University, and my presentation is on overnutrition and its effects on the community population of Guam. I chose Guam because they were an island full of self-sustaining. They were self-sustaining in that they were fishermen and their food. They were able to farm the land, fish for their foods, and eat fresh food, fruits, fish, and vegetables and meat. Here you see a picture from 1817 to 1820 of them farming the land. Um, and we can move on. This shows that after the globalization of fast food chains, where food chains were introduced to the island of Guam in Micronesia, they soon moved up in rank from suffering and obesity. The adult population was listed at 45.8% obese according to procon.org. This listing is from 2016. As you can see, with the introduction of the easier foods to eat, instead of having to go out, catch their food, farm their food, all that hard work and sweat and labor, they were able to just go to a fast food restaurant and eat, and without understanding that they keep eating all that food and not getting the exercise that you used to get by being outside and farming and fishing and just being active, that they would not burn off those calories. They weren't mindful of the nutritional values or the effects of this overnutrition because the fast food was a new concept. But now it's part of their food environment. And this is what leads to obesity, overnutrition, and not counting the calories, which increases the risk of many diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and even sleep apnea. So the short-term and long-term effects of overnutrition and obesity are that they are much higher risk for heart diseases, type 2 diabetes, and even sleep apnea. There's high cholesterol, high levels of triglycerides, gallbladder, liver diseases. It even shows here that obesity can cause reproductive complications in females and complications during their pregnancies and birth defects in the fetus, and even mental health conditions. Women who gain 20 pounds or more less double their risk of menopausal breast cancer even. So I was looking into some ideas for creating solutions and combating the obesity there in Guam and overnutrition. I believe that implementing sustainable government programs such as nutritional education, starting at the preschool level, which includes the parents and any direct environment of those children, helping them learn from the beginning nutritional value, a healthy diet and exercise will help them grow up and not overeat and be mindful of what they're doing, especially when they're going to those fast food restaurants. Offering free assistance to the families, such as nutritional cooking classes, physical education, and also having their health care provider involved in those studies and diet and exercise could help. A study that was conducted in 2002 to 2014 states that adults who are overweight or obese and who are also receiving weight loss counseling from their provider are approximately 4 times more likely to prevent or to attempt to lose weight than those who do not receive counseling. You can see a doctor is a perfect treatment for both diabetes and weight loss. And the next page are the references that I utilized. And that's about it. Thank you.